get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. Because
Hey you guys, it's your girl Star and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to show you 2 quick and simple easy keto meals. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to smash that like button if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. Bye!
can I take you there? Can I take you there?